this network, it is observed that is emitter reading is 0, and we are asked what is the value of this resistance. If there is no current which is flowing in this arm, it means if we take these 2 points X and as Y, it means the potential difference between X and Y should be 2 volt only, and X should be at a higher potential as compared to Y. That is Vx minus Vy, that should be 2 volt. We know that is current should be flowing in this direction, and if we take 2 batteries, number 1, let's talk about this battery. If this is 2 volt and let's say there is some resistance in the circuit, and this is also 2 volt battery, then certainly no current shall be flowing in this circuit. If we make it 12 volt, then certainly this is stronger battery because the conventional current shall be flowing in the outward circuit from positive to negative terminal. So this is a stronger battery. This will try to push the current, the conventional current in this direction. This will try to push the conventional current in this direction. But because this is strong, this will flow, eventually the current will flow in this direction. Had it been this way, suppose this is 12 volt, this is 2 volt, so the current shall be flowing in this direction because this is stronger battery. But if both the batteries, they have the same volt, that is 2 volt and 2 volt, this will try to push the current, conventional current in this direction. This will also try to push the conventional current in this direction. Both they are equally strong. As a result, there will not be any flow of current. We can easily correlate this with this. That is, whether we draw 2 volt over here or we say that is there is a 2 volt battery over here, that is one and the same thing. Now, this is stronger battery. As a result, the potential difference between this and this is suppose 2 volt. So it means the potential difference between this and this, that is 2 volt, this Vx being at a higher potential as compared to Vy, and Vx minus Vy is equal to 2 volt only. Now we know this is a 12 volt battery. It means across the terminals of battery, this and this, there has to be a 12 volt potential drop. Across this, if this is 2 volt, it means across this 500 ohm resistor, there is remaining, that is 12 volt potential difference. Now 2 volt is dropped across this, 10 volt is dropped across this, so that the potential difference with the terminal is once again 12 volt only. Now if the potential difference across this resistance, say the points A and B, is 10 volt, so we can use V is equal to IR, Ohm's law. V is what? 10 volt for this resistance we are talking about. I is, we don't know. R is what? R is 500 ohm. So I comes out to be, that is 1 by 50 ampere. So current in this is 50 ampere. The same current shall be flowing like this and this and this. This is a closed loop because no current is flowing in this direction. It means through this resistance, current is 1 by 50 ampere and the potential difference across this is 2 volt. So once again we can use V is equal to IR. V across this we know that is 2 volt. I we know it is 1 by 50 ampere. R we have to find out. So R comes out to be 100 ohm. So in this case, the value of resistance, this resistance is going to be 100 ohm when there is no current which is flowing in the emitter of this arm.